ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 86 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 5. ಯುದ್ಧೋದ್ಯೋಗೇಥ ಮಂತ್ರೇ ಮಿಲತಿ ಸತಿ ವೃತಃ ಫಲ್ಗುಣೇನ ತ್ವಮೇಕಃ ಕೌರವ್ಯೇ ದತ್ತಸೈನ್ಯಃ ಕರಿಪುರಮಗಮೋ ದೂತ್ಯಕೃತ್ ಪಾಂಡವಾರ್ಥಂ ಭೀಷ್ಮದ್ರೋಣಾದಿಮಾನ್ಯೇ ತವ ಖಲು ವಚನೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕೃತೆ ಕೌರವೇಣ ವ್ಯಾವೃಣ್ವನ್ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಂ ಮುನಿಸದಸಿ ಪುರೀಂ ಕ್ಷೋಭಯಿತ್ವಾ ಗತೋ ಭೂಃ. Word by word meaning. Atha, thereafter. Yuddhodyoge, during the preparation for the war. Mantre, consultations. Milati sati, were in progress. Phalgunena, by Arjuna. Tvam ekah, thou alone. Vritaha, being desired. Kauravye, to Duryodhana. Datta Sainyaha, giving thy army. Pandavartham, for the Pandavas. Dutyakrit, as an emissary. Karipuram Agamaha, didst go to Hastinapura. Bhishma Dronadi Manye, honored by Bhishma, Drona and others. Tava Vachane Khalu, thy words indeed. Kauravena Dhikrite, being rejected by Duryodhana. Muni Sadasi, in that assembly of sages. Vishwarupam Vyavrunvan, revealing thy cosmic form. Purim Kshobhayitva, shaking the whole city. Agataha Abhuhu, didst return. Full meaning. Then, during the preparation for war, when consultations were in progress, Arjuna desired to have thee alone on his side. Thou didst give thy entire army to Duryodhana. Thou didst then go to Hastinapura as an emissary of the Pandavas. Though thy words were honored by Bhishma, Drona and others, they were rejected by Duryodhana. Thou didst then reveal thy cosmic form in that assembly of sages, and thus shaking the whole city, thou didst return. Om Tat Sat.